Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation for within seconds. So if you want a quickest way to create presentation, you can follow the steps. You can just open this gamma plus dot app, and in here, if you want to create a presentation, first you need to sign up. So just click on sign up for free. You can use your Google account, and after you sign up, okay, I already signed up actually. This one's right here, so you can see this is the Gamma apps. So you can just click on this create a new options, and then click on this generate button. Now you can just describe what you'd like to make. So choose a presentations in here, and then you can select the language and also the total of card or slide. Here, for example, I'm going to just write I'm going to just write digital marketing strategies, for example, and let's just click on this generate outline. Just wait. Okay, so you can see there are 8 cards. The first one is introduction, understanding the digital landscape, and the last one is the point. Here you can see if you want to add card, you can just click on this add card button, and after that here you can go to the settings, and here you can set the amount of text per card. You can use brief, medium, or detailed. And the image source, you can choose between the web image search or AI images. I'm going to just use web image, and here image license, I'm going to just use these free to use, and after that you can click on continue. Okay, so this is a theme preview. You can just pick a theme in here. Want to explore more, just scroll up or down. For example, I'm going to use this theme right here. So this is the preview. Here you can click on generate again. So now it's still processing. So you can see this is the introductions to digital marketing strategies. You can see that the Gamma app is still writing the presentations. So you can just wait until all of this done. You can also change the theme again in here if you want to. You can share it with for example with your colleagues. Here you can also start presenting, and on here you can see there's edit with AI options, card templates, smart layouts, basic block, and other settings. You can also add images, videos, and media, chart, or forms and button. If you click on this 3 button, there also are options to see the version history, page setup, and you can also do exporting. You can save this presentations by clicking on export. So that's how you can create presentations within seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.